Football fans are making noise. Cole Palmer 10 games, he hasn't scored. Cole Palmer 10 games, 8 games, 9, he hasn't give assists. I can tell you 100 million player, a year, he didn't score a goal. A full year, he didn't score a goal. A team signed him 100 million, nobody was talking about it. But when it comes to Chelsea player, fans are giving all sort of pressure. Master, calm down, calm down. We all knew who is Cole Palmer. Well, since last season up to now, Cole Palmer never disappointed. So football is just a movement. They are human beings. Yes. So someone 10 games he didn't score. Now it turned to a topic of the day, topic of every week. Everybody's talking about it. A player team pay 100 million for him. He didn't score a goal. Nobody's talking about it on the media. We should stop this hypocrisy against Chelsea. No. Now you condemn our team by selling our team to those who knows nothing about football. Now you are coming against our players. No, we won't accept this. No, the agenda is too much. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, I don't see the Arsenal that ran away with a lucky draw against Manchester United beating my Chelsea. No. And I don't see the Arsenal that are better in chasing rather than winning, beating my Chelsea. No. And the only thing Arsenal fans will celebrate this season is that they beat PSV in the Champions League with so many number of goals. And they are going to play against Real Madrid. That is the only thing Arsenal fans will celebrate this season. And Arteta birthday. Yes. And in fact, guys, I don't know why Chelsea fans doesn't believe me. I don't know why you guys don't believe me. I keep on telling you every day that Maresa is dating Sanchez's sister. Maresa is dating Sanchez's sister. You guys refuse to listen to me. You guys refuse to believe me. I don't understand. What have I done wrong to you? Guys, can you believe this? Upon all the thousands, the billions, mistakes, errors Sanchez made, in fact, cost Chelsea so many games, Maresa is still bringing him to be our Premier League goalkeeper. Maresa said Sanchez will come back to be Chelsea Premier League goalkeeper till the season end. And I keep on saying it as I said. Maresa is dating Sanchez's sister. Chelsea fans say, I shouldn't say it again. I don't know why Chelsea fan doesn't believe me. In fact, guys, if you can't see, can't you saw? How on earth Maresa is playing against Chelsea? Guys, Maresa is Chelsea manager, but Maresa doesn't want Chelsea progression. Maresa doesn't want Chelsea to win football games. Because I don't know why, upon all the goalkeepers, the thousands, the billions goalkeepers we have in this world, the only goalkeeper Maresa can trust is Sanchez, the error Sanchez, the mistake Sanchez. So guys, this game Sanchez will be our goalkeeper. And this is my preview for Arsenal and Chelsea game. And at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to give you my starting 11 and my score prediction for this game and my analysis for this game. So please watch this video till the end. And please, if you haven't liked this video, hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button, smash the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming. What is happening on my phone, guys? Hey, what is happening? It's disturbing me. I'm sorry, guys. Let me check and see. Hey, Urade Yankopon. Hey, Urade. Village guy. He never buy chair or writing. These are the signs of a village guy. Oh, guys, sorry. And see again. A village guy. Should I remove it? I will not remove this one. I be Chelsea. No. But I'm sorry. This thing is disturbing me. I go away. Guys, sorry for that. Let's come to this game. Let's come to the analysis, guys. In fact, is Arsenal beatable? Can Chelsea beat Arsenal? In fact, I can't even wear it well again. There's something was helping me. In fact, guys, is Arsenal beatable? Can we beat Arsenal? Yes, we can beat Arsenal. See, this game, like I can say, it will be one of the easiest games for Chelsea. This game, Arsenal, Chelsea. Yes, it is their home. Yes, they may sound they are the favorite. But guys, if Chelsea do these two things, we are winning this game comfortable. Yes. First one, Maresa starting 11. Look at the previous two games. Look at particularly the first half in those previous two games. Look at his starting 11. Look at the players that he started. No. Against better opponent, quality opponent, will not survive those kind of first half. So Maresa starting 11 should be on point, should be with the right players, should be with our first 11 players. I don't want to see this game Cucurella being on the bench. I don't want to see this game Rhys James being on the bench or benching one of our midfielders, Enzo Fernandez or Caicedo. See, if Maresa do any mistake trying to use this game for experiment, trying his tactics, Charlie will not find it easy because Arsenal is better opponent. Let's be honest, they are good. So we can jeopardize with this game or compare Arsenal to Copenhagen or Southampton or Leicester City, in which Maresa can come out with a wrong starting 11. Second half, he did some changes and maybe at the end we won. No. These kind of games, Premier League games against Arsenal, they are home. If Chelsea come out with a wrong starting 11, forget the first half. We are going to concede, I'm telling you. And the second thing, guys, see, this game, I call it clinical game. This game is just called clinic. See, if we can score our goals, if we can score, convert our chances, this game we are winning it. Yes. See, this game we are just winning with chicken ease. With chicken ease. If we can convert our chances. If Chelsea can be clinical in front of goals. Because Arsenal, it is their home. They will come out. They will want to have the ball. They will do all the passing. They will do all the creativity to win this game. So their back line will expose at some point in this game. Their back line will expose. We may get them on counter. And if we get 2 or 3 or 4 counters in this game, we must convert all of them. If we can score our goals, guys, we are winning this game. I'm telling you, see, this game will not be like the way we are looking at it. Maybe Arsenal, they are the favorite, they will make it difficult. We can win this game. And Chelsea losing this game or winning this game, all will come down to Chelsea. If Chelsea fail to convert their chances, forget, we are not winning this game. But if we can convert our chances, guys, this game we are winning comfortable. I'm telling you. And if we win this game, I think we'll go 4 or 5 points above Man City. Yes. Yesterday they drew with Brighton. So everything is now in our own hands. Our life now in our own hands. Our destiny is in our own hands. Top 4 is guaranteed. And now official confirmed. 5th spot has also been confirmed. Yes, Champions League for England. Any team that get 5th or finish 5th position in the league table, you are playing Champions League next season. Confirmed. So guys, that is my analysis for this game. This game, I will not come here and try to do some extraordinary analysis. This will just be a simple game if we can convert our chances. And this is my starting 11. In fact, the defense, Chalobah and Tosin. I know Maresa will start Liverpool. And if Liverpool will play well, it will not be bad. And the goalkeeper for me, I start Jorgensen. But Maresa Sanchez will be. But for me, I still wish if he can give Jorgensen the chance. And the left back position, Cucurella, and the right back position, in fact, Rhys James. I don't want to see Rhys James in the midfield because we have midfield there. So why are we putting in Rhys James or sending him to the midfield in which we have midfielders? Even next season, so many midfielders will be joining us. So guys, the right back position, I put Rhys James there, and the midfield Enzo Fernandez and Moses Caicedo. The best partnership in world football, in European football, as we are speaking now, Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. And the left wing position, I start George, and the right wing position, I start Nkunku. In fact, Nkunku, when he's playing at the right wing position or as a second striker, it seems he is delivering. Yes, he is delivering like a midwifery. Yes, he is delivering, giving us that assist, playing very well, maybe even scoring. Yes. But as a striker, that is where sometimes Nkunku suffer. Yes. And the attacking area, almighty Cole Palmer. This game, I want to see Cole Palmer score. It has been a long time. Cole Palmer score. Football fans are making noise. Cole Palmer 10 games, he hasn't scored. Cole Palmer 10 games, 8 games, 9, he hasn't give assist. I can tell you 100 million player, a year, he didn't score a goal. A full year, he didn't score a goal. A team signed him 100 million, nobody was talking about it. But when it comes to Chelsea player, fans are giving all sort of pressure. Master, calm down, calm down. We all knew who is Cole Palmer. Well, since last season up to now, Cole Palmer never disappointed. So football is just a movement. They are human beings. Yes. So someone 10 games he didn't score. Now it turned to a topic of the day, topic of every week. Everybody's talking about it. A player team pay 100 million for him. He didn't score a goal. Nobody is talking about it on the media. We should stop this hypocrisy against Chelsea. No. Now you condemn our team by selling our team to those who knows nothing about football. Now you are coming against our players. No, we won't accept this. No, the agenda is too much. So guys, almighty Cole Palmer, and let's hope that this game Cole Palmer score and even maybe give assist, yes. And the striking position, Neto, yes. Because Neto is relentless, is now showing. He can give the pressure, he can do, yes, the aggressive tackling. And even sometimes Neto, he likes shooting. When get the chance, he shoot. So that is good for him to be my striker. So guys, this is my starting 11 for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your starting 11. And my score prediction for this game, I will say Arsenal 1, Chelsea 2. We are going to beat them. Yes, as I said, Chelsea losing this game or winning this game, everything will come down to Chelsea. Yes, if we can finish up our chances and let's hope Nkunku can score, or Nkunku will not be slow on some of his balls, and let's hope we'll see the best of Cole Palmer in this game. Maybe Neto also performing this way. Maybe Enzo getting the chance. Sometimes Enzo also will get the chance. I don't know why. He just be slow on the ball. Yes. So guys, this is my starting 11 and my score prediction. Arsenal 1, Chelsea 2. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about this game. Can we win this game? How can Chelsea approach this game? And please like this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to do what? Hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.